American Rumba. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick. Everybody say with me. Quick, quick, slow. 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 Keep dancing. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Let's take it around slow. Quick, quick, 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 slow. But dance the same step. Don't change step. That was good. That was good. Okay.
Which way do you like to rotate when you turn? Clockwise or counterclockwise?
Yeah, to the left is better.
To the left.
It's easier. You can rotate, yeah. Next, so now we're gonna do the same, but we're gonna dance waltz. That's the waltz music. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Has a rise and fall, same back step. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So different character of dance. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. More rise and fall. Down, up, up, down, up. Dancing the same back step. High elbows, yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes. Very good. Now next we're gonna try swing. Swing. Let's do swing. Rock step, triple step. Listen to the music. Rock step, triple step. Rock step, triple step, triple step. Rock step, step, triple step. Rock step, triple step, triple step. Tick ta ta, tick ta ta. Rock step, triple step, triple step. Rock step, triple step, triple step, triple step. Rock step. Triple step, rock step, triple step, triple step. Triple step, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Next is cha-cha-cha, 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 rock step and triples. 3, cha-cha-cha, rock step, cha-cha-cha, rock step, cha-cha-cha, 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 rock, cha-cha-cha, 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 cha-cha-cha. Okay, so hope you understand. So we're gonna practice this more, but I want you to spend time learn elements of dance. So it's much easier for you to learn many different dances and many different movements as well. Thank you so much. Very good, very good. Hopefully we learned something today. That was the goal, to learn something. Back to school.
I feel so much better now. I don't know why. You might know.